Hi folks, welcome. Wait a minute. Hi folks, welcome to Mary's Travel Blog. And today I'm at a car show. KSP, which I believe is Kentucky State Police. And I think it's a car show, and we're going to see how exciting this is. So come along with me, and I can't wait to see some cars. So over here, here's the entrance to the car show. Our beautiful American flag is waiting for us as we to arrive. And there goes a car. Ah, I love that. Doesn't make you feel proud. Okay. Yes, we have a lot of classic cars here, and like I said, we're gonna see what they have here. You don't mind being on camera, do you?
I don't mind a bit.
Okay.
The funnest opportunity I had was
Oh,
got
cool.
a big box of nachos, and I'm sitting in the car, and this golf cart comes screaming around the corner. Guy jumps out and shoves a yellow microphone in my face like, I want to interview the bandit. Well, let me get my hat.
Yeah,
And
there you go.
he was WCYN radio, did a live interview
Yes.
on the radio about the car, where it came from, where it's been.
Oh, cool.
So these two were in July down in Elizabethtown.
Oh, cool.
The group, they've disbanded now, unfortunately, but they were eastbound and down out of Branson, Missouri. And
Yes.
this was at Owensboro. This one was 3 years ago at Dry Ridge up at the Scroungers car show.
Okay.
And that's just coming up my driveway. Came out real good.
Okay, so you're from Owensboro.
Nope, I'm just over in Sadyville.
Oh, Sadyville, okay.
Yeah, just.
But she goes wherever when you get a car show you can go to.
Car show, take her out, show her off.
Okay. Oh yeah, this Turbo Trans Am here too.
Well, they're both, that's a 1981.
81?
This one's a 1980. They both got the 4.9 with the factory turbocharger
Yes.
on them.
I kind of reminds me of the kid from Knight Rider too, isn't it?
That was the 82.
82, okay.
That was the start of the
Cool.
second gen. These
Okay.
two are the last of the second generation.
Okay. Cool. Yeah,
46 years old.
I know. It just seems like it was yesterday. I still can't get over that. I'm sorry. Oh, cool.
I got too many keys.
Oh, cool, Tony. Oh, wow.
How many modern cars will do that?
That is classic, yeah. Yeah, my RAV4 doesn't do that.
133,000 miles, 134,000. She's still, she's still running strong.
Yes.
I can run her out to about 3,000 RPM, hold her down on the shift when she hits
3,000 RPM, okay.
3,000 RPM. When she hits second gear, she will still grab and bark both back tires.
Oh, wow.
So she's running strong.
And she goes everywhere that you do, right?
In Bert's words, I show up and show off. So any place I have opportunity to
take her, yeah.
Yep.
Okay, cool. Okay. Cool. Okay. Oh, that's. I don't care. race show, so okay, that's so good. State police. This is from 1948 to 1998. Small trooper here. This is a 19. This one is a 72. This is a GTO. 70s car. Oh. Just wait a minute. All right. All right, Kentucky State Police Cram Cruisers. This is from like early 1970s. Here's, I think, another one from the 80s. State Trooper. Of course, this a nice little Corvette here. Wow. This one says Martini. Oh, now this is a cool little car right here. Wow, yeah, I like this paint job here, purple. Okay, this is a Ford something. Now that's a car. That is a car, baby. Yeah, I like the passenger in the back seat of this car. What a tiger.
I tell you, so I got a 373 gear in mine at 60. No, Mike Merrill. And at 65, it's right at
Okay. Quad car show. And this is a really nice truck. Okay, well, this is what we call Kentucky Blue down here. Okay. And this is a classic baby. Oh, man. shade of green. Mustang, 50 years. Yeah, that's right. Okay, I don't think that's really part of the car show, but cool. All right. The food trucks here, people. And I know y'all want to see that. Yes, you do. Oh, cool. Eckhart's. That's a really good orchard. Coffee. And yes, folks, we do have food here, food trucks, and that's what we all want to see. Eckhart's Orchard, apple pie, kettle corn.
I worked there with a
Okay,
I never worked there specifically.
Okay, well, I don't need any donuts, but okay. Strawberry donuts, yes, okay. Is this all you have?
This is all.
All right. Now let's get back on the way. Oh wow, looks like homemade pancakes. And what else do they have with that? And a line full of customers. Tom's Traveling Coffee. And Lord, I hope they have a cold brew today. And one of the, Porky Pig. And here is the state police. One Daddy's chicken leg quarters, okay? $10 revenue. Okay, $50 cash. There was 50,000. Okay, I wonder what Kentucky Trooper Island Kids Camp. Okay.
I know that Harley Davidson Lexington, you'll learn so much. They got 3 different weapons. Even the beginner course is I've rode for
T-shirts.
years.
Run this Corvette, okay? $50,000 cash, okay? I might. All right, all right. All right, I hear a lot of music here. A lot of copyrighted music. So, well, I do like these cruise bears. All right, you hear a lot of cruise bears. Some cute little stickers here. And I like those bears.
Wow.
Hazard car. And Dukes of Hazzard. Okay. Well, I wish they would maybe roll this simulator. 2:30 when I roll over. We're all over here, people. Here where the van is at. like this state police van over here. Interesting. On this car, we have Salem and the Trooper Bear on top. Like Salem Saberhagen from Sabrina the Teenage Witch. Or, I think they have a different name for this cat. And here is the General Lee. It wouldn't be a car show without the General Lee, don't you think? Master Deluxe. Okay. I think we have a whole lot more classic cars up here, people. Let's go see some of them. Here's a nice little army Jeep. And it's like a yellow car over here, like it's like what we call a lot of cars here. Of course, it's a car show. Ford Mustang. Okay. Hi. Are y'all the owners?
Yeah.
You don't mind being on camera, do you?
Yes.
Yes.
Are we on this one?
Oh, this one is the red one? Okay. Okay. Well. Yeah, I was trying to work on my YouTube channel. Alright. Oh, it's not.
No. I wouldn't want to try to paint that.
I don't blame you. I wouldn't either.
But no, that's a 3M. It's basically a big sticker.
3M, okay.
And it's to honor my dad who is here with us today.
Oh, okay,
And my
veteran.
grandfather who's no longer with
Oh,
us.
okay.
It's fine to shade.
Yes, I'm with you.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, that's my Instagram there, CJ Lowry 0074. No, man, you can snap a picture of it.
Okay, thank you. I'll do that. Okay. I like if I shows in. Okay.
Both of those, sir.
All right. Let me take some photos here of that. Yeah. So bizarre. That's what we get. On this side. thinking to see Pee Wee Herman driving his car. Yeah, at least passengers in the back seat or in the side passenger. That's cute. I don't know if I can fit in this car. Or is this a British car? Is this your car? All right, and here's some more classic cars here. And go see a car named Jackie. Kind of like the sage green here. man. Looks like for a day at the beach. Is Jackie Earl's car here?
No,
The red one.
that's his car.
His car, okay. Looks like it's for a day at the beach. Right? A lot of fascinating cars. Oh.
That's what I was just thinking about Mom.
A 1930. Okay. Oh, nice shade of blue here. Okay. Oh yeah, this car. Is this your old car? Oh, cool.
It's got a
Oh, cool.
custom spider web.
Oh, well, I love these velvet seats. It looks like one of those. Oh, this is not from the Adams family, is it?
Looks like from like that or Monsters or.
That's what I'm about to say. Yes.
Definitely got that vibe.
Yes. Oh, so this is your pride and joy, right?
I put a lot of time in this car.
Wow. Yeah. Oh, it's a spider web wheel. It's probably the only car I've seen like that.
I've custom made the center caps. I cut the spider webs into them.
Okay. Is this like your full-time job as well too, or just a hobby, or
This was just my
Hobby.
days off kind of thing.
days off? Okay.
Tons of custom everything, spider web pods.
Oh, cool. Yes, I like that rich velvet, that maroon velvet that you have in there. Wow, only on a day like this can you have it out. Only on a day.
That's what I started with.
Oh, okay. A lot of work.
Tons and tons and tons of work.
So you're just like just to find that, yeah, and there are people 100% that rebuild this stuff.
Good hobby.
Yeah. Oh wow, you cover up the engine too as well, or piece of metal, or just leave it open? Okay, there you go. Oh. Okay. Okay. Good car here. Cool. Corvettes. It's not a. Interesting. Louis. Okay, let's. Well, oh wow, this car has a lot of Japanese writing on it. Okay. And on the window here, a lot. Oh, I wonder if it came all the way from Japan or China. This car over here. for the car. Okay. All right, and over here is a 1965 Ford Cobra. Okay. And this car happens to be a Chevy. 1967 Chevy Seville. Okay. An electric vehicle. One of those Tesla trucks. Okay, and I'm used to like classic cars like these Roadsters. But somehow somebody decided that they were going to bring in the Tesla trucks, electric vehicles, which in my mind, I don't know if I call them trucks or not. Which I don't know if I'll ever get used to these being the idea of a truck. Like that. So you did put some lumber in and off she goes.
There are a lot of people who don't realize that these are trucks.
Because they're worded as truck, I'm like, why is it called a truck when it doesn't?
The good thing is, if you're hauling something to the bed, now you have that motorized tonneau cover that comes down and protects whatever you're hauling.
Okay. Well. Okay. Yeah, and these. Yeah, okay. So we just have maybe 4 of these or 5. That alien there too.
Yeah, 8-foot lumber or a 6-foot alien. Whichever. Well, whatever.
Yeah.
Both.
Yes. Okay. So this one's green here.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, cool.
Different color. They have a wrap.
Oh, okay. So that's how they get that one done.
Yep.
I mean, I thought about buying the regular Tesla and just. That's like $100 grand. I'm like, I don't know. Just...
They're not all like they're model wise. 40 to 50-ish. The Model 3s are that's brand new.
Yes. Yes. Okay. I guess you get whatever color wrap you want on it. That's clever. I guess everybody's leaving the show now. I better get a picture of this, if I can get this picture of this alien here. But that is cool. I might just... Oh well. Now, okay, light yellow. Oh wow, now here's a Dodge car, people. It looks like it went to one of the racetracks. Cool. Oh, Largo, Florida. Las Vegas, Pennsylvania. Dealer.
But you might fall in love with the car and buy it after you're here. You never know, yeah.
Do that. So then this one ran the 2 mile track.
2 mile track, okay.
Then they'd have super speedway cars for Talladega and Daytona. So if you stand far
Leaving.
Everybody ever been down to Indian Lake?